Hi guys, so this is my thoughts on gold, guys. What am I expecting on gold? If you watch my previous analysis on gold, I think we were around somewhere around this area right here, and I said there's a possibility that we might drop to the downside because we can see an impulse, a correction. And I gave, if I remember well, I think I gave different scenarios. My first scenario is that there is a imbalance right here that needs to be filled, so we might probably just push this imbalance before we continue to push to the downside. And we can see that my first target was 1989, which is my negative 27% fib level. But as you can see that gold has been very choppy, and it has been on the raging market for a while, so it's not really moving the way we want it to move, which is fine. The market doesn't do what we want, right? So right now I'm just going to reanalyze. I still believe we might go for a sell on gold, right? But I just still believe that we have to be a little bit patient to get a more data for us to see how that plays out, because one, we are around the significant area right here, which is first touch, second touch, a possible third touch around this area that we might zoom to the upside, right? But because we can see that we rejected off of my negative 61.8% fib level, so there's a possibility of it falling to the down part. But just remember that this area right here is a significant area, and we can see that based on the previous price action, we can see when it got to the zone there was a rejection, and it's rejecting as well. But like I said, gold is not giving us any momentum of the specific direction it wants to go to. So where we are right now, gold can actually push to the upside or it can push to the downside, right? So gold is not fully clear on what it wants to do, but like I said, I think just because of we reacted around this zone right here, there's a possibility for us to push to the upside a little bit. So this will be like a possible target if we continue to push to the upside. And my reason is because of, we can see there is this imbalance right here. I had that this candle right here, so we might push up to that level to at least retest that level, right? So I think we might push to the upside. Let me see. Yeah, I'm seeing more of a short of a buy right now than a sell, to be honest, on uh on gold. So let's see, short right here. So like I said, gold is very choppy right now, so it's not giving me anything that actually is solid. But let's just say we can still see it as there's a buy. If it's a sell, wanted to at least break the structure and possible push to the downside. But as of right now, we are seeing more of a buy. We can see that we rejected off of 61.8% fib level, right? So this would be a possible first target here, and it's a post target here. So now I think this one would be better for like scalping. Like, it's not something I would trade, but I just think it's something we might look forward to. That'll be a first target. This would be a possible second target right around here. And because of the overall imbalance around the 4 hours, I think that is a 4 hour imbalance. So be my, let's see, let me go to bigger time frame just to know what that imbalance is from. Yeah, so the imbalance came from 3 hour time frame. Let me just indicate that so that I will know where that comes from. So that's another possible target right there based on what we are seeing right now, guys. So I have different scenarios, right? Because of how it's working, we might see an impulse, sort of a correction, push down a little bit, continue to push to the downside. Let me see a rejection point, which is my 78.6% fib level. So I'm going to draw a different scenario of what I think might happen. So right now we might just continue to push to the upside, just like this, right? first target right here, like I said. Oh, we might get to the second target, which is right around here. That's my first instant. Another instant is we might actually come here, break right, and push right here before we continue to push to the down to the upside. That's a possibility. Let's see, delete. Let's see. So I think we might come here, then push up. So that's another scenario, guys. So this is just my scenario that I'm thinking, but I still think we might still push up a little bit higher or not, depending on how the market goes, right? So I'm not going to take these trades, to be honest, but it might play out. Just be mindful because gold has been really choppy, so I think we have to be patient on what gold might react next, because it might still react and just possibly just zoom to the downside, because my bias on gold is more of a sell rather than a buy right now. So that is my quick thought on gold, guys. Hope you find it helpful. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.